Hey, welcome back to AIThunder, your hub for all things artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into a game changer for writers: how to use AI to level up your writing skills. Whether you're crafting a blog, essay, or even a novel, these 10 practical AI methods will make your words sharper, clearer, and more engaging. Let's break them down, step by step, so you can start writing better today. First up, rephrase sentences. AI can rewrite your lines for clarity or variety. Try this prompt. Rephrase the following sentence in 5 different ways, maintaining its original meaning. For example, "I love sunny days" could become, "Sunny days are my favorite." It's perfect for avoiding repetition or finding the perfect tone. Next, proofread your work. AI can spot grammar slips and suggest fixes. Use this prompt. Proofread my text for spelling and grammar and list any changes in bullet points below. It's like having an editor who catches every typo, so your writing always looks polished. Third, get constructive feedback. AI can critique your writing for structure and clarity. Try. Review the following text and provide constructive criticism, focusing on structure, clarity, and effectiveness. It might say, "Your intro lacks a hook. Try a question to grab attention." It's honest feedback to make your work shine. Fourth, find alternative words. AI can suggest better vocabulary to enhance your writing. Use this prompt. Provide 5 alternative words or phrases for insert word that would fit in this context. Swap happy for delighted or thrilled. It's a quick way to elevate your style. Fifth, distill information. AI can summarize and extract key ideas. Try. Summarize the main ideas of the text in no more than 3 or 5 bullet points. For a long article, it might pull out. Meditation reduces stress, improves focus, takes 10 minutes daily. It's a time saver for research-heavy writing. Sixth, write in bullets. AI can turn paragraphs into concise bullet points. Use this prompt. Transform these sentences into a well-structured, coherent bullet paragraph. A dense block of text becomes clear, scannable points, perfect for presentations or blogs. Seventh, change tone and style. AI can adapt your writing's vibe. Try. Rewrite the following text to make it sound more formal, casual, or persuasive. "Hey, let's chat" becomes, "I propose a discussion." It's great for tailoring emails or pitches. Eighth, use templates. AI can fill out writing templates to streamline your process. Prompt. Fill out the following content template using the context I provide. For a blog intro, AI might write, "Struggling with focus? Here's your fix." It's a fast way to beat writer's block. Ninth, mimic writing style. AI can copy a specific author's tone. Use. Rewrite the following paragraph in the style of an author. Your flowery prose might turn into Hemingway's short, punchy sentences. It's a fun way to experiment with voice. Finally, use frameworks. AI can apply structures like pass, problem, agitate, solution, or AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action. Try. Use the pass framework to write a blog intro about productivity. It might write, "Feeling overwhelmed? You're not alone. Here's how to fix it." Frameworks make your writing persuasive and structured. That's 10 ways AI can transform your writing: rephrasing, proofreading, critiquing, and more. These aren't just hacks, they're tools to make your words work harder. Which method will you try first, rephrasing or frameworks? Tell me in the comments, I'd love to hear. If this sparked ideas, hit that like button and share it with your writer friends. Subscribe with the bell on to catch every AIThunder update. We're unpacking more AI magic every week. Let's make your writing unstoppable. See you next time.